Hello dear students, welcome you all to the 11th lecture of rural marketing. And today we are going to start your second module, that is rural development. Topics which we are going to cover today, that is definition of rural development, importance of rural development and objectives of rural development. We are going to discuss the introduction part of the rural management today. So let's start with the next slide. So when we are saying rural development, the word itself is telling the meaning. Okay, so rural development is a process of improving the quality of life and economic well-being of people living in the rural areas. Okay, so we all know that rural areas are the areas which are relatively isolated and separated from populated areas. Traditionally, if we will see rural development centered on exploitation of land intensive natural resources like agriculture and forestry. However, changes in the global production networks and increasing urbanization have changed the character of rural areas. So, rural development usually it refers to methods of enhancing the quality of life and financial well-being of individuals who are living in the rural areas. It is a comprehensive term. It essentially focuses on actions for the development of areas outside the mainstream urban economic systems. So, rural development is a term that concentrates on the action of the development of rural areas to improve the economy. Now we will see that which all areas comes under rural development. So development of the education and for male, female both. And we can say that public health and sanitation is another area which the government or the other agencies want to uplift. Then women empowerment, infrastructure, village infrastructures like electricity, irrigation, road, and all those things. Then facilities of agriculture extension and research, availability of credit, very, very critical for rural development, and employment opportunities in the villages itself. So these are the areas that need to address for the development of rural areas. Next, we discussed like why it is important, why rural development is important. So rural development in India has witnessed several changes over the years, and it has assumed a new dimension and perspectives, we need to develop our villages also. So rural development is concentrated and it is noticeable importance in the country today because that rural contribution is GDP is very high. Okay, so governments also they want to make strategies that rise to obtain an improved and productive higher social economic equality and ambition and stable in social and economic development in both rural as well as the urban sectors. What are the primary tasks of rural development? The primary task is to decrease the food crisis that exists in roughly about 70% of the rural populations. And secondary task is to ensure the availability of clothing, footwear, clean environment, houses, medical attention, recreational, education, transport, communication, etc. These all are the areas which need to be developed for the development of villages. Next, aims and objectives of rural development. So, rural development aims at improving rural people's livelihood in an equitable and sustainable manner, both socially and environmentally, through better access to the assets What are the assets? Like natural, physical, human, technological, social capital, and services. Okay, so the basic objective of rural development program have been considered, which are to eliminate poverty and employment through creation of basic social and economic infrastructure, provision of training to the rural unemployed youth, and providing employment to marginal farmers. Okay, so if we will see point wise, so to improve the productivity and wages of rural people. So for improving productivity and wages, government has initiated a lot many programs like giving training, providing markets, reserving markets for rural products, etc., which we will see in further lectures, to guarantee increase and quick employment possibilities. Like Manrega, we have seen in first unit also how it is playing an important role in giving employment in rural areas, and development of infrastructure, demolish unemployment and bring a notable decline in underemployment. Next, to guarantee an increase in the standard of living of underprivileged population. Next, to provide the basic needs like elementary education, healthcare, clean drinking water, rural roads, etc. So these all are the areas which that government wants to improve in rural places. Okay, now we will understand this topic with the help of one video which I have downloaded for you people from YouTube. I need to stop sharing this and then I will share that video with you people. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, here we go. This is the video I have taken from YouTube. It is not my own video. So let's watch this video. Agriculture development. So I hope with this video it is more clear to you people. Sorry for inconvenience. So I think with the help of this video, you are able to understand what is rural development. If you have any queries, you can contact me on your WhatsApp group. If you have any difficulty to understand any point, you can ping me. I will help you. Thank you so much for watching today's video.